Hello there, I am Tukustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue grade 10 lesson on working with data. Whenever you are working with a lot of data, it can be difficult to compare information in your workbook. Try to compare with traditional working system or paper-based working systems. It's not easy as such. Comparing with the electronic working systems, we can save our time in terms of many cases. In terms of time, material, and manpower, we can save. Here, the first condition is freezing pans and view options. How can we freeze the rows and columns and helps us these features to view our records easily. If we have many records here, for instance, let me duplicate by drag and drop here. It moves to the other screen now. But it is not possible to observe the heading here. Here is, if we say here is the heading, this size such much. How can we just delete a row? Now, if you want to move to the next value, it hides the header. What the header for this value? You cannot identify it. It's possible the solution is here. It's possible to freeze the header or the row. Selecting, then under view tab, freeze pans, freeze top rows, freeze top row. Now it is freeze to that. When we move to the next page, we can view the header. As you have seen, the header is visible. When we move from other page, it is freeze that. We can see easily. The data. The other is freezing the column. The same step here. Here, if you want to move horizontally, if you have many data, let me duplicate this. If you have many data here horizontally, how can we move here? When you go to the right, it hides, but it's possible to freeze. For instance, here if it is the name of a student or worker, you can freeze the column. View, freeze, column. Then when you move to the right, you'll have the first columns, and it's possible to view the data easily for each value. Now the column is freezed. Again, the row is freezed. When you go down, when you go now the freeze is active for column. When you go right, it's possible to view. Again, by changing the freeze pan, we can view the data upward easily. The other is splitting a cell. It's possible to split. For instance, selecting here, then split. Now it is splitted. Now it is splitted. Splitted. The next one is sorting data. Possible if you have ascending or using a descending method, possible to adjust our data. Just simply what we have to split, make it inactive. Then if you have data here, for instance AA, EV, let me select here, sort under data, sort here, Z to A, from Z to the last number, from the highest to the lowest, and from the lowest to the highest, and from the highest to the lowest, and from the lowest to the highest. When you say A to Z means A to Z. It's possible to assign name, for instance. Name. Here add additional sheets. Name. The Mikael. Here Abel. Bezel. Possible to assign using the name. Here sort, custom sort. Now starting from Z, using the header A. How can you sort easily here? Sort, custom sort. It's better to use custom sort. Just sort using column A. Values are here. Just my data has headers. The header there is including excluding the header. Okay, I will here name using the name criteria from the lowest to the highest. Same again here, custom sort using name from the Z to A. Using name Z to A from the highest to the lowest. Z is 26, A is 1. The other is filtering data using data possible to select out. For instance, only female students or male students are selected easily using filter male, for instance here, or a specific record. Here if you have sex male, I'm showing you sample data. What about if you have many or multiple data? You have to think logically. Using here the header, then filter just sex. Now uncheck female, only males will be filtered out or selected. The same to unchecking male, checking a female only, female will record with this way. The same to check all, then you can select only one of the record. For instance, only Abel. Record of Abel will be displayed. This is a sample, but you have to know the method or the way how to perform this. The other is working with charts. Possible to create a chart using Microsoft Excel. How can we perform or creating a chart? It's better to demonstrate in next session. For today is enough. Thank you.